Next phyla, Mollusca, coming up. Mollusks have habitats that can be aquatic or non-aquatic, so marine ecosystems, freshwater ecosystems, or terrestrial ecosystems. Usually mollusks have a soft body that can be protected by a hardened shell. We saw that hermit crab video in a previous lecture where they use these hard shells from mollusks as protection. Well, the mollusks are the ones that form the hard shell to begin with as part of their body plan. In addition, their body plan has bilateral symmetry, so you can only cut it up one way to have mirror images, just like humans. Mollusks are the largest marine phylum. I don't mean their body is the largest. I mean that there are a lot of these guys that constitute the marine phyla. About 23% of all animals that I'm talking to you guys about, the marine animals, about 23% of them will be in phylum Mollusca. So that's a huge number. In addition, they can have a large muscular foot for movement. They use this for locomotion, very, very, very strong muscle in order to move. And feeding is achieved by extending a file-like organ called a radula to scrape up food. So let's actually look at some major groups of mollusks to actually put a picture to these guys. First up are your gastropods. Snails, sea slugs are examples of that. The majority of mollusks belong to the group Gastropoda. They are termed gastropoda, gastro for food reasons, and poda, foot-like structure. It's this radula that they use in order to scrape up food resources, rocks, algae, in order to get those energy requirements. Bivalves are your next group of mollusks, and a scallop is a beautiful example of a bivalve. They are termed bivalve for having a hinged shell-like structure. They are divided into two halves, giving it that bi, meaning two, a part of their name. Clams, oysters, mussels, scallops are all examples of bivalves. Tasty little guys. The last group are cephalopods. They are named cephalopods for the reasons cephala, they have large brains. In addition, they also have large tentacles in order to help them with locomotion reasons. Octopus and nautilus are examples of cephalopods. They are the most neurologically advanced class in the phylum Mollusca, and they also have agile bodies to help them with movement as well. Very, very quick.